Five types of hijab, that means five fabric types of hijab. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Muslim Fashion Style. This is Crimps hijab and Crimps fabric hijab. That's the most beautifully colorful solid color. That's Crimps hijab. And another second is lawn hijab. Lawn in summer mostly used. And third is crinkle fabric hijab. Number fourth one is lawn chiffon hijab. Chiffon in wedding and events occasion wear mostly, and solid color more beautifully. And fourth is cotton types, cotton fabric, and also crimps and mixture of all others hijab, but it's five different. And also lawn hijab, chiffon hijab solid color more beautiful, and lawn hijab is that's mean as तुर्किश हिजाब. लॉन हिजाब को तुर्किश हिजाब भी कहते हैं. ये पांच कलर के कॉटन, लॉन, cotton fabric, lawn fabric, chiffon fabric, crinkle fabric and crimps fabric. Five types of hijab, Muslim fashion and jazakallah.